Hello friends, welcome to Chiranjit 3 tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you pen tool lesson 3 on Bezier curve. So let's start. Here you can see some shapes. I have taken 4 shapes in this video, and you can download this image. I have given the link in below description. You can download this for practice. So guys, let's start. Press Ctrl 2 to lock the object and take the pen tool and change the stroke color. I am going to cyan color. So you can see I have highlighted in our four shapes where you have to click and how to draw. So I'm going to click on this point and just pull the pen tool. And this is the finish line. I'm going to finish here. And press Alt and select this to edit. Okay, that's it. And press Alt click here to end it. And then I will go for the second one. I will start from here and just click on the second point and just drag it, and we'll go for the next. Click on the second point and edit it. I press Alt. That's it. And we'll go for the third point. Press Alt and edit. And then I'll go for finish it. You can edit all points by press Alt. Well, that's it. Press Alt click. Then I'll go for the third shape. Start from this point and just drag by pen tool. Come to the second point, just pull it. How to edit here? Press Alt and edit. We'll go for the last point. So that's it, and we'll go for the final shape. Final one. I'll start from here. And we'll go for the second point, and then this one. And click Alt here go again for here to car. Just press Alt and you can edit this. Press Alt click to end the pen tool. So that's it, you can see I have drawn it. Press Ctrl Alt 2 to unlock the object. You can see I have drawing here. So that's very easy. Thank you for watching the video, and you can get the image link in below description. So guys, thank you.